camera when you. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Is your wife in the Philippines always working or cleaning or something? Always doing something. I'm like, sit down, kakaron. Really, sit down. But she's always on the go. She takes good care of us. She's always cleaning the house. And shout out to all you Filipinos and all the OFW workers. Give you guys a lot of credit for everything you do. Well, 6 years for us, and my wife is a strong woman, but she never stops. I got the model, 1988 model of Filipino wife. That's when she was born, and she's still doing pretty good. I traded in all the American models for a Filipino model. But I have to let her sit down sometimes. Today's her day off, and she's still working really, really hard. Just non-stop, this woman. She's always taking care of stuff. And she has a serious look on right now. So. And my daughter's tearing up the place a little bit. But my daughter's hiding in there somewhere. There she is. There she goes. So, what I'm trying to say, just get you one of those models. They're really good. I've been blessed to have her. But hope everybody's having a start to the week, a good week. It's Tuesday from what I understand. I don't really, especially the weekends, I don't pay much attention to what day it is sometimes. It depends. Unless money's coming in or something. You know how that goes. But, yeah, so we're all good here in South Texas. We had a little bit of snow, and we're just happy we're not back up in Massachusetts where they got a lot of snow, and you're sliding around in your car, you're all over the place. But all is good here. This is just a quick, short vlog. I need to put something out there. A couple times a week I'll be doing a long form. Then looking for our short videos, and my wife's a Filipina. But I actually haven't used that name lately. We've just been doing stuff. You know, we're goofing around a lot. We like to be happy and have fun. And of course, you know, we have our moments when we actually want to go back to the Philippines. But we're waiting for vacation time for my wife. And it'll come. You know, just one of those things. And you guys were thinking about moving to the Philippines? Get a passport. Go. What's the problem? There's so many guys. A friend of mine. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a passport. He keeps talking about I should go with you guys. You ain't going anywhere without a passport. But you know, that's the way it is, guys. Well, please hit the like button. It helps out our channel. The algorithm thing, you know, for YouTubers. Anybody getting started? You need to make videos. You know what I'm saying? How people gonna know? How's YouTube gonna push out your content? Okay, guys. See ya.
No, don't do that. 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 You ain't gotta do that. You ain't gotta do that. Don't do that.